This one is very nice, guys. So very sexy. Oh my God. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited, Dan. Let's see the open picture, guys. Look. The red one. I love color red, guys. Ayan,
Wow.
OMG. Ang ganda nito, guys. Pack na pack yan. Pack na pack yan, guys. This one. Another color, guys. Another color. Oh my God. Guys, look. Guys, ang ganda niya. I really love it. I'm so excited to wear this, guys. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Oh my God. That's very nice, guys. I really love it. Napak, ayan, look, guys. Ayan, look. Ayan, love it. Ayan, I'm so excited, guys, to fit this. Ayan. Abang, ayan.
Oh my God.
Ayan, beach attire. Ayan, guys, ang ganda niya, guys. I really love it. OMG. Ayan, guys, the black one. Ayan, guys, look. Ayan, I really love it, guys. Guys, ayan, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayan, 6 pieces, guys, for only 300 pesos. OMG. Ayan. I really love it, guys. Ayan, I'm so excited to wear this. Ayan, abangan nyo yung aking pag-fit, guys. Ayan, later, guys, i-fit ko na to. Ayan, so watch my videos, guys. But, wow! Ayan, pack na pack yan siya, guys. Ayan, may tali-tali siya sa likod, guys. Ayan, pack na pack. Ayan, yung next na isusukat ko, guys, ito naman yung color maroon. Ayan, para turno siya sa ating guys. Let's go! Guys, charan!
Wow.
Ito naman yung ating color maroon. Ayan, really love it. Ayan, guys, pack na pack siya, guys. Ayan, ready na naman ako sa aking beach outfit, guys. Ayan, feeling model na naman ako, guys. Ayan, feeling maganda na naman ako, guys. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack din talaga ito siya, guys. Ayan na siya, guys, sa ating bikini. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan, ready naman ako, guys, sa pag-beach. Ayan, pack na pack naman talaga to, guys. Ayan, oh. Ayan, pack na pack yan.
Oh my God.
Pack na pack. I really love it, guys. One of my favorite color, yung pink maroon color, guys. Ayan. Yung ating maroon color. I really love it.
Oh my God.
Pack na pack.